The core of Authentify art is the secure ID tag. Each tag contains proprietary UHF and NFC chips encoded with a unique identification number. Embedded in an attractive tamper-resistant seal and affixed to the back of an artwork using a conservator-approved adhesive, each piece now has a secure, permanent identifier that stays with it for its entire lifetime. All modern smartphones can detect each piece's unique identity, whether it be on a gallery wall, in storage, or even while in transit. Shipping, logistics, and art handling companies and their customers can track and trace artworks, easily access travel documents, and identify and locate individual artworks, even when packed in crates in dense storage, in trucks or containers without requiring physical contact or even line of sight. Galleries, auction houses, and large public and private collections can all know where all their art is anywhere in the world. Done manually, a full inventory can be done as quickly as a person can walk through each storage room. And if real-time inventory or continuous monitoring is required for security or insurance purposes, the same RFID technology can be installed similar to the Wi-Fi in your house or place of work. Prospective buyers can be securely granted access to provenance, condition reports, high-resolution images, expert opinions, and the artist's profile. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes from knowing that each artwork in your collection can be accounted for, whether it be on display, in storage, on loan, or even in a loved one's home. With Authentify Art's secure ID tags, not only will you know where all your valuable art is at all times, you can also be rest assured that it is safe.